What's up, everybody? We back. In today's video, woman started acting ratchet and got kicked off the plane. The flight to Miami was canceled.
Check the bag for free. Check the bag for free. Let's go. I'm gonna do it. I don't need nobody to tell me nothing. Like, why the fuck everybody feel like they say something to me? Like, don't say nothing to me.
We're wasting our time.
I don't care.
Get outside.
Like, you might say that.
Check all the way Miami for free for you.
All right, thank you. But you need to shut up. I got to slap the shit out your way. I'm telling you. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying. My mama, I'm trying, but I don't know who the fuck these motherfuckers on this plane think I am. Like, I'm gonna pump
everybody. Yo, man. Sometimes you know how they say it's just that one person who you can't take nowhere because they just don't know how to act, man. This may be true indeed, one of these situations and one of these individuals. You just can't take everybody, you can't take everybody anywhere, man. You know what I mean? Sometimes you just can't take somebody who been in the hood necessarily somewhere nice because they're going to bring the hood with them. And when they bring the hood with them, it's just going to be all type of complications. Now, I ain't rocking with the lady, talk about check your bag or whatever, like you all up in somebody else's business. Granted, yes, you on the plane, you trying to take off. But you see the pilot is there, he trying to handle the situation, let him go ahead and handle it. Now you just being nosy and sticking your nose in somebody else's business. So I kind of feel that, hey, baby girl has every right to go ahead and tell her, hey, man, mind your business, whatever. You know what I mean? But dang, man, you acting up. You acting up. You can't take everybody out the hood, man. Can't take everybody.
Like, I am. Like, I will pump with everybody. I don't give a fuck about the police or shit. Like, kick me out this motherfucker. I'm a bitch all up and through this motherfucker. What is you talking about? Stop talking to me like this. Like I'm some kind of motherfucker, little punk ass bitch. Like, I'll slap everybody. Fuck. And I'm ready to fight with any and everybody. The fuck? Ain't nobody trying me yet. Motherfucker getting like he hot and all this. I don't see a big shit. Fuck is you talking about? Everybody want to talk. Everybody talking, yelling out the car, want to yell out there. Everybody like, come on. I'm not worried about nobody. What is you talking about? I'm not worried about, okay, baby, and I'm not worried about nobody. Okay, good. I'm not either. And neither am I.
At this point, nobody's like not saying anything, nothing. So now she just pretty much just talking because once again, the hood mentality, that ratchetness, once her buttons have been pressed, ain't no turning it off. The situation seemed like it's done and over with. I guess the issue was with her bag. The captain, the pilot, whatever, them came, removed her bag, got it, put it somewhere. Now that should be the end of the situation, but she just steady going on. She just all the way turned up. Now you out here just looking bad. And everybody out here looking at you. Come on, man. You gotta do better, man. Just leave the situation where it's at and just go on about your trip, man, and enjoy your trip.
Good. I'm not either. And neither am I. I don't care. It could have been before. Okay. She's talking about this too. Okay. I want the meet and greet right now. I still want to get out the plane to do whatever. We can do whatever. On the plane, I'll get out right now.
You guys all traveling together?
No, we don't.
We don't.
She's having a
No.
relaxing. You're the
They study saying stuff to me. You not gonna sit down and let nobody say, I'm not with them, they not with me. You not gonna let nobody talk to you crazy. They say, yeah, and all this, man, she wanna sit up. Like, this ain't that. They got the wrong bitch on this motherfucker. They sit next to the wrong bitch. And I'm trying to make sure we get the fuck shit we on. Without fucking get mad.
Man, it's official. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's official, like I said. You can't take everybody everywhere, man. They up here playing, they got the wrong bitch, you know what I'm saying? You know, they got the wrong bitch, you know, I'm official, you got the wrong bitch. Man, come on, baby girl. You out here just looking bad. You see the pilot, how he looking at her? You see how he like, what? He like, what is she talking about? What is going on here?
Because I swear to God on my mama, I set this plane up and bitches be getting dragged through this hoe. I'm trying to motherfucking relax. I'm trying to relax.
Buddy walking off after that.
What we gonna do in Miami? What is you talking about when you get to Miami, baby? And then make sure you your flight. What is you talking about? To make sure we can touch down. What? We gonna do that. Not even going.
Oh yeah, they got somebody up there now. It's over with. You gotta get up out of there, baby girl.
I go, they don't fucking go because they fucking talking to me. What is you talking about? Well, we can all get out this motherfucker and fight right now. What is you talking about? Now I'm gonna start with you. Then I'm gonna start with them. No, I'm not. Thank you. Like she's still in my face. I'm not leaving. No, that's not how they go. No, they will start with me. You need to leave the aircraft right now. Ain't nobody. I'm just keep moving. Just let them take
You do it, I will.
The fuck? Stop talking to me.
Ladies and gentlemen,
The
the
fuck?
we're going to be plenty everywhere. Gather all your belongings and
Hurry up,
remain in the
get the
void
fuck out.
area
Stop
for
talking
further
to me.
entry.
I'm saying
get off
nothing
so
about
everybody
shit.
else can have their
Anyway, like I was motherfucking saying.
They over here recording her.
Like I was saying.
Yeah, go ahead.
Siren.
This one?
Yeah, siren was going.
No, it's still the same man. Some ass
Got
bitch
it?
saying
Yeah.
something.
Okay.
They study saying something to me like they study saying shit about it. I know what I'm saying.
No, they don't got her up out of there. She got the little fur and everything. Alright, y'all, we back, man. Hey, like I said, sometimes you can't take everybody everywhere, man. Sometimes you can't take the hood up at everybody either, man. Baby girl, she just, man, you down bad for this. All you had to do was just, give your bag to the pilot, let him do what he had to do. You know what I mean? I ain't saying that you can't kind of try to check somebody who up in your business if they kind of wrong and they trying to, talk about you in some type of manner about your situation. So I ain't got no problem with her checking whoever was in the back, saying something. But on the other situation too, people trying to get going where they going. So they kind of in the right too. Like, hey man, won't you just follow the rules, comply with the rules that you have to comply with, so everybody could just go ahead and get to their destination on time. But yet you got somebody here who just trying to just be privileged and think that they special and want to hold up the whole flight just because they don't want to follow the rules. So I ain't feeling that either. So man, I'm feeling her side and I'm feeling the other passenger side too, man. But hey man, it is what it is. But check it. That's all I got for y'all on this reaction, man. So if you're here on this reaction channel for the first time, or if you already subscribed to this reaction channel, go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and share this reaction channel. Also, drop your comments below. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you know the next time I drop my next reaction video. Until the next time, y'all know the vibe. Peace.